everyone. I am Dr. Sonia from BPT Department, Assistant Professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we will discuss about topic fetal development. Fetal development. Pregnancy is measured in trimester from the first day of last maturational period, total 14 weeks. The first trimester of pregnancy is week 1 through week 12 or about 3 months. The second trimester is week 13 to week 27 and third trimester of pregnancy is week 28 to the birth. Zygote. Zygote is the very first stage of life and start after the union of egg and the sperm. After 24 hours after the fusion, the first division of the new cell happen and it is no longer called zygote. The embryonic period begin. Embryo. Embryo is defined as the developing pregnancy from the time of fertilizations until the end of the 8th week of gestations. Fetus. The unborn young after 8 week of conception until birth is called fetus. So, first trimester. Week 1 and week 2 is getting ready. The first week of pregnancy starts with the first day of woman's last maturational period. She is not yet pregnant. During the end of the second week, an egg is released from an ovary. This is when they are most likely to conceive if you have unprotected intercourse. Week 3 Fertilizations. The sperm and egg unite in one of the fallopian tube to form a one cell entity called zygote. Soon after fertilization, the zygote travel down the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Week 4 is implantations. By the time it reaches the uterus, the rapidly dividing ball of cells, now known as blastocyst, has separated into two sections. The inner group of cells will become the embryo, the outer group will become the cells that nourish and protect. Week 5, the embryonic period begins. The fifth week of pregnancy or the third week after conception mark the beginning of the embryonic period. This is when the fetus brain, spinal cord, heart, and other organs begin to form. By the end of this week, your fetal is likely about the size of the tip of a pen. Week 6, the neural tube closed. Growth is rapid in this week. Embryo's body begin take on a C-shaped curvature. In this stage, neural tube close and its heart start pumping blood. Week 7, embryo's head develop. Embryo's brain and face are rapidly developing. Tiny nostrils become visible and the eye lenses begin to form. The arm birds that sprouted last week now take on the shape of a paddles. By the end of this week, it might be a little bigger than the top of a pencil or erasers. Week 8, embryo's eyes are visible. Arms and legs are growing longer, fingers have begun to form, and eyes are visible. The upper lip and nose have formed. By the end of this week, your fetus might be about half inch long. Week 9, fetal toes form. Arms grow, develop bones, and bend at the elbow. Toe form and eyelids and ears continue developing. By the end of this week, your it might be about 3 by 4 inch, around 20 millimeter long. Week 10, neck begin to develop. The neck begins to develop and fetal eyelids begin to close to protect his or her developing eyes. Week 11, fetal genitals develop. At this stage, the fetus may be about 2 inch, around 50 millimeters long from the crown to the rump, and weigh about 1/3 pounds, 8 grams around. Week 12, fetal fingernails develop. At this stage, fetal face has a human profile. By now, it might be about 2.5 inch, around 60 millimeters, and weight about 14 grams. Now, it's second trimester, week 13 to 27. Week 13, urine forms. Week 14, fetal sex become apparent. RBCs are forming in fetus spleen. For girls, ovarian follicles begin forming. For boys, the prostate appears. By now, your fetus might be about 19 millimeters long and weight about 40 grams. Week 15, fetal skeleton develop bones. Week 16, fetus can make sucking motions. Fetal eyes have begun to face towards slowly move. Ears are close to reaching their final positions. They might be able to make sucking motions with his or her mouth. Its movements are becoming coordinated and can be detected using ultrasound exam. Week 17, fat accumulations. Toenails have begun to develop and fat stores begin to develop under its skin. The fat will provide energy and help them warm after birth. Week 18, fetus begins to hear. Ears begin to stand out on the sides of his or her head. They might begin to hear. By now, it might be 5.5 inch, around 140 millimeter long, and weight is 200 grams. Week 19, fetal uterus form. A greasy, cheesy like coating called vernix caseosa begins to cover fetus. The vernic helps protect delicate skin from abrasions, chapping, and hardening that can result from exposure to amniotic fluid. For girls, the uterus and vagina might begin to form this week. Week 20, the halfway point. Halfway of pregnancy or 18 weeks after conception, pregnant women might be able to feel fetus first movement, also known as quicking. Week 21, fetus can swallow. Week 22, fetal hair becomes visible. Fetus completely covered with a fine down like hair called langu. The langu helps hold the vernix on the skin. Its eyebrows might be visible. Week 23, fingerprints and footprints form. Week 24, real hair grow. Week 25, fetus respond to the voice. Fetal heads and startle reflex are developing. They might be familiar to sounds such as your voice with movement. Week 26, fetal fingernails develop. Fetal lungs are beginning to produce surfactant, the substance that allow the air sacs in the lungs to inflate and keeps them from collapsing and sticking together when they deflate. By now, they might be 230 millimeter long and weight nearly 820 grams. Week 27, second trimester end. This week marks the end of the second trimester. At 27 weeks or 25 weeks after conception, your fetus, lungs, and nervous system are continuing to mature, and he or she has likely been growing like a weed. Third trimester, week 28 to 40. Week 28, fetal eye open. Week 29, fetal bones are fully developed. So, in this stage, fetal bones are fully developed, but they are still soft and pliable. Week 30, fetal eyes are wide open. Fetal eyes are wide open a good part of the time. They might have head of hair by this week. Week 31, nervous system development continues. Week 32, fetus practices breathing. 32 week into pregnancy or 30 week after conception, fetal toenails are visible. Although their lungs aren't fully formed, he or she practices breathing. Their body begins absorbing vital minerals such as iron and calcium from the intestinal tract. The layer of soft downy hair that has covered skin for the past few months, known as language, starts to fall off this week. Week 33, fetus detect light. Week 34, fetal fingernails grow. Week 35, rapid weight gain begins. 33 weeks after conception, fetus limbs are beginning chubby and gaining weight rapidly, 230 grams a week for the next month. Week 36, fetus takes up to the most of the amniotic sac. Week 37, fetus is early term. 37 week of pregnancy or 35 week after conception, fetus will be considered early term. Their organs are ready to function on their own. To prepare for birth, their head might start descending into mother's pelvis. Week 38, fetus develop a firm grasp. Week 39, placenta provides antibodies. 39 weeks into pregnancy or 37 after conception, fetus chest is becoming more prominent. For boys, the testes continue to descend into the scrotum. The placenta continue to supply antibodies that will help fight infections after birth. Week 40, pregnancy due date arrives. At this stage, they might be about 18 to 20-inch long and weight about 2,900 grams or more. Remember, however, that healthy babies come in different sizes. Don't be alarmed if due date comes and goes without incident. It's just a normal to deliver a fetus a week or two late, or early as it is to deliver on your due date. A baby is a God's opinion that the world should go on. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. And if you have any doubt regarding topic, you can mail me on sob at the rate of rpiit.com. Thank you.